Hello, I'm Kealy and welcome to the Bookmark Club, a place where I read mindful children's books. And today we're going to be reading The Jar of Happiness by Ailsa Burrows. Do you think there's a recipe for happiness? Well, our main character, Meg, sure does. She collects ingredients and puts them in a jar to share with her friends and family to cheer them up. But what happens when the jar disappears? Oh no. Do you think she'll be able to find happiness other ways? Let's read on to find out. The Jar of Happiness is dedicated to Gareth, Fran, Timo, Flint, and my parents by Ailsa Burrows. Once there was a little girl named Meg who invented her own kind of happiness. See all those ingredients? It tasted of chocolate ice cream, apple juice, and sunshine. And it smelled warm cookies and beach. But it smells good. It was red, yellow, and all of the other best colors. Meg, everywhere with her. It's in the bathtub. She even took it on a bike ride. She took it to her friend Zoe, who was feeling a little glum. Poor Zoe, she looked so sad. But look, now she's laughing. It cheered up Oma, who didn't feel well. Poor Oma, but she looks like she's having a good time. She looks like she feels better now. Meg shared it with Leon, too. Though only when he was being nice to her. That's her little brother, Leon. One morning, Meg could not find her jar of happiness. She looked. I don't think it's in there, Meg. And looked. And looked. And looked. But she couldn't find the jar anywhere. Have you ever lost something special to you? You know exactly how Meg feels right now. Where could it be? Poor Meg. Meg visited Zoe, who showed her how to make happiness out of smiles. Can't put smiles in a jar, can you? She visited Oma, who gave her a bit of happiness made from hugs and tickles. My favorite. Can't put hugs and tickles in a jar, can you? And Leon explained how thinking happy thoughts can scare away gloomy feelings, bad smells, and even monsters. Good to know. By the end of the day, Meg still hadn't found her jar. See where the jar is? Under the bed? But she had found plenty of happiness. Don't you agree? I think so too. Huh? What did you think? Did you like it? If you did, you can get a copy at your local library or school's media center or online. You too. Come on back and we'll read it together. This book I got from my local library. And with an adult supervision, you can go to your library and they will give you a free card that enables you to check out books for free. As many as you want. So check out The Jar of Happiness. And when you do, come on back and we'll read it together. Till then, be kind and keep reading.